bearing of a ship from a lighthouse is 0.55 degrees. Work out the bearing of the lighthouse from the ship. So we're going to look at the ship from the lighthouse. So this is going to be our lighthouse. And the bearing of the ship from the lighthouse, when you take it from 0, it's at 55 degrees, 0.55. So let's call it 55 degrees. So this is our lighthouse, and this is the ship. We're not given the distance, so we're just going to put ship. So the bearing of the ship from the lighthouse is 55 degrees. This is 55 degrees. Don't forget, bearing, when you're measuring, you're always starting from the north and turning clockwise until you get to the angle you're measuring. All right, so for this is 55 degrees, so we're going to stop at 55 degrees right here between 0 and 90. All right, if it's if it's above 90, it's going to go between 90 and 180, and 180 to 70 to 70 to 360. All right, that's established. So what is the bearing of the lighthouse from the ship? So the lighthouse from the ship, this is the ship, the bearing, we are going to start from the north again and also turn on the way to we get here. All right, so we know that all the way from this point to this point is 90 degrees. To this point is another 90 degrees, and that is 180 degrees for angle on a straight line. Then we need to get this angle. Let's call it theta. All right. Now, the bearing of the ship of the lighthouse from the ship is going to be 180 plus theta. 180 as in the whole of this angle plus theta. All right. How do we get our theta? Don't forget that this 55 and this angle, they are equal. Theta is equal to 55 degrees. Why? Alternate angles are equal. All right. Go to my teachings on parallel line, where we dealt with alternate angle, corresponding angle, particularly angle, opposite angle, co-interior angles, angle on a straight line, opposite angles of a parallelogram, and several other topics already. So if our theta is 55, that means the bearing is quite easy. That's 180 plus 55. Now, 180 plus 55 should give us 225 degrees. So therefore, the bearing of the lighthouse from the ship, that's the whole of this, is 225 degrees. It's as simple as that. It's straightforward and it's fantastic. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are seeing us for the first time. Don't forget to share it with all the students that you know. And we're going to see you again in another class. You have a great time. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, so when you do 180 plus 55, that is 235. All right. Yes, it's 235 degrees. That is the correct answer. All right. Thank you.